Hi, welcome to Flat for Education Tutorials. In this video, we're going to help you create a performance assignment. This assignment type is all about having your students record themselves performing by playing an instrument, singing, or clapping. To get started, open the resource library, click New Assignment, and select Performance. From here, input the assignment name and add a score for your students to follow. In this example, we will be selecting a rhythm reading score. Once you've added the necessary details, you can include general instructions and attach any required files. With extra settings, you can even restrict the number of times your students can play back the score. After configuring the settings, click on the Done button located in the upper right corner. This will save the assignment to your resource library. To assign it to one or multiple classes, click on Use in Class. If you would like to test the assignment as a student, simply click on View as Student. You can start and even complete the assignment. When finished, go back to your teacher view by clicking on Leave Student Preview. Now, we're going to review a performance assignment. After your students finish the assignment, you can review their work by listening to the recordings directly from the review list or by clicking on a student's name and hitting the play button in the top left corner. You may also leave comments and grade the submission during the review. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or need anything, please email us right away.